is up, guys? So in this video we're gonna take a look at Prime XBT exchange. They reached out to me and asked me to review their platform. They have some very unique features like copy trading, where you can follow somebody, you can see their trading history. Except from this, you also can become one of these traders, and you can even, thanks to this, become famous on Twitter and then have some community, which is very unique. So we're gonna take a look on all details in this video about Prime XBT. Before we start, guys, always remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, and especially when it comes to trading and day trading with leverage, because mostly Prime XBT is actually a platform for day trading, for trading with leverage, right? You gotta remember that this is the highest risk in crypto. I don't really recommend you to do it, especially if you're just starting. And now I'm actually going into the crypto trading world. I'm diving into this because of the market situation. Like you all know, currently Bitcoin is like at 39,000 USD, and there's many signs that this is going to be like this in the next couple months. Let's say 5 next months. Very likely this is going to be the same, because usually markets are slower during the summer, during the spring and holidays, and this is a good time for trading. There are still new launching projects, but this might be a good time as well to do trading. First of all, let's take a look at the main dashboard of Prime XBT, all right? And before we start actually this video, if you're interested to use this platform, I'm not persuading you, but if you're interested, you can use my link down below in the description, Crypto Costa 7, and you'll get some bonuses. You can get up to 7k USD back on the deposit. Now let's take a look at the platform. Here's the main dashboard. You can see all your equity, all your cryptos here, your margin trading account, copy trading portfolio, strategies, contests. Like you can see, it's very minimalistic. When you go to the margin, this is basically like always just a trading dashboard. Like you can see, you have all of the tools here. You can convert your fiat currencies into crypto, but the unique thing that I told you at the beginning of this video is this copy trade, and the first account is this one, right? Total is plus 300%, and active days 546, followers almost 1.6 thousand. Here you can see the performance of it. Followers equity is around 600,000 USD, and what it means that people follow this account and put their USD for this account to do trades for them. I'm quite skeptic about this. Let's say you put 0.1 Bitcoin here. There are these entry fees. Your profit share is 60%, and also thanks to that, this account is doing some trades. This account gets commissions out of all trades. You can see the entire history of their performance. Here are the fees. So look, if you have this standard one membership, you get like 60% going into your pocket, 20% goes to the platform, and 20% goes to the manager. Here is the description. So each account can create each account has the description, entire history of the trades, followers equity, of course, and the manager equity, and the followers equity is 600,000 USD. And I look at this from the opportunity perspective, because look, here are manager's social media links. So here you can put your Twitter, and let's say your trades are going really well. You have many people following like this account, and then you can get this community into Twitter, and you can actually become crypto influencer. This is very valuable thing if you have your community in crypto, and you can build it thanks to this platform. And this is what I find interesting about this. Profitability in last 180 days is like minus 35%. This account is not doing so well. Last 90 days is plus 1%. Of course, you gotta watch out who are you following. So like you can see, you have Forex pairs here as well, altcoins, other Forex pairs, even gold here. And here you can see what you can follow it with. So in this case, it's USDT. For example, this account gets profitability in 7 days plus 25%. Like I'm telling you, this is very risky thing, but I told you my look and my perspective on this, and this is very interesting, and this is nice opportunity. If you know how to use it, you're gonna find your way. Currently, like you can see, the biggest followers equity is 600,000 USD, which is not much. I'm telling you, it's not much, especially when you trade in. Prime XBT also gets you this yield options, and you can take part in some contests on some weekly battles, and this is basically it. They have also a token with like 4 million market cap, so we can get some higher membership thanks to hodling this token. It's really minimalistic trading platform. Thank you so much for watching. This is basically it for this video, and see you in the next one.